Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe and like this video. I really need subscribers, so please do so. In this video we're going to update our Linux apps and also upgrade Linux. So we're going to do this using the terminal. If you want to learn how to install Linux or Visual Studio Code, please check out my other videos. I have a video on that. And okay, so before we do that, we have to check the version of Linux we have right now, and to do that we're going to run this command. So I'll just go into my terminal and let's run it. So we have cat etc os release. Okay, so my version is 11. Okay, so to update it you need to run sudo apt-get update. So using the aptitude application, so we have sudo apt-get update. This will update the Linux applications installed on the Linux environment. So updating, let's just wait for it to work out. It shouldn't take long because I recently updated all my apps. Okay, so now we have our apps updated. Let's run the upgrade. With that we need sudo apt-get upgrade. Okay, so let's go sudo apt-get upgrade and let's run this, and this should upgrade our Linux version. Yes, so it should download about 85 megabytes of data. This shouldn't take that long, but I'll just pause the video right now and get back when it's done. Okay, so the upgrade finished, or it's done, but you can see, as you can see, we're still on the same version of Linux. So there was probably no major release of Linux, that's why we're still on the same version. But that's how to update and upgrade your Linux version on Chromebook. So yeah, thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Remember to subscribe to the channel.